This type of video is getting millions of views on social media. And here is the easiest way to create a video like this. First, copy this prompt and open Gemini. Paste the prompt here. Select Create Image. Select Pro Model and press Enter. Check my description box for the prompts. After generating the image, copy the second prompt and paste it here. Then press Enter. Again, try the third and fourth image prompt as well. After generating the last image, download all. Then go to Google Flow. Click on Create with Flow. Click New Project. Here, select frames for the video. Click here and upload the first image. Select Portrait Style and click Crop and Save. Then upload the second image here. Go back to the prompts file and copy the first video prompt. Paste the prompt here. Click here and make sure the aspect ratio is portrait. Output per prompt as your wish. Model should be Veo 3.1 Fast Model. Then press Enter and wait a moment. After generating the video, click here and select the second image. Here will be the third image as the last frame. Copy this prompt and paste it here. Then press Enter. Lastly, select the third image as the first frame. And upload the fourth image as the last image. Copy this prompt and paste it here. After generating all the videos, click here and play the videos to select the output result from 2 generations for each prompt. Then click here to download. You can go with default 720 pixels, but my recommendation is to go with 1080 pixels as I'm going with. After downloading all the videos, open any video editor. Import 3 downloaded videos here. Marge them according to 1, 2, and 3 series. Select the 9:16 ratio. To remove the logo, scale up every video to 115%. Then export the video. Here is the final result. Hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.